Hello kids, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get the x and y values. So let's see. So first here writing the two equations. So first is 47x then 31y equal to 63. This is the first equation and second is 31x then here 47y then 15 equal to, so this is 15. So this is the second equation. So if I use their conventional approach, like here to remove the y part and here y part. So both is, so to remove the y part, we need to multiply with the 47 and this here 31. So this is the conventional or older approach. So by using this approach, you can get there. So same value y, then you can subtract, then get their x value. So if I follow this way, so this way is too lengthy and very hard to calculate. So calculation, maybe some mistake that's come there, then maybe some mistake that's come there, then you can get there 0 marks. So I'm not going to follow these steps. So going to make this simple. So for this one, first you need to add the equation, then subtract the two equation. So here adding equation 1 and 2. So making the equations too simple. So here this is 47x, then 31y equal to 63, and this here 31x, then 47y equal to 50. So adding, so same plus 1 that is 8 and 4 plus 3 that is 7. This here 8 and this here 7. And this here 8 and 7. So let's take their 78 common. So x plus y and this here 78. Or we can write here 70 cancel. Then we can write here x plus y equal to 1. So now this is here third equation. So now here you can see x plus y equal to 1. This is two simple equation. And here first I added, then I'm going to subtract this 1 and 2 equation. So writing there, subtracting equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2, that's going to subtract. So let's write there 47x, then 31y, then here 63, this here 31x, then 47y, then here 50. So plus minus 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 minus. So 7 minus 1, that comes 6, and 4 1 this here or 16. And this here 47 and here 47 31. So if you subtract, so this come here minus 16y. And 63, so this come here 8. And here 5 1 or 5 minus 1, that is here 4. So now here 16 you need to take the common, so x minus y equal to 48. Or we can write there x minus y equal to 48 divided by 16. It cancels by 3 times. So x minus y equal to 3, that's come here. Let's assume this equation is 4. Now you can see here 3 and 4 is the two simple equations. After that, simply you need to add the 3 and 4, then y cancel, then you can get their x values. Okay. So now here writing, adding equation 3 and 4. So 3 is now x plus y equal to 1, x minus y equal to 3. So this here x plus y cancel, x plus x, that is 2x, and this here 4. So x equal to 4 by 2, and now x equal to 2 is the answer. So 2 is the answer. Now this x value you can put on equation 1 or equation 3 or equation 1 or 2. So simply putting on the 3 here. So putting x value in equation third. So equation third is x plus y equal to 1. X value is not 2, 2 plus y equal to 1. Or we can write here y, this 2 moving on the right, so that come here 1 minus 2. Or y equal to minus 1, that's come there. So this is the answer. 1 minus 2, that's come there, minus 1. Okay, so x value is not 2, y value is now minus 1, that's come there. So by following this approach, it's too easy to get their x and y values, and it's too easy to solve this equation. So simply you need to add, if you get term like this, complicated values or complicated or values are too bigger to calculate, hard to calculate, then simply add the equation 1 and 2 and subtract the equation 1 and 2. Then two simple equations, then you can get here third and fourth. After that, simply add or subtract, then you can get their x and y values. So this is how we can solve this equation. So I hope kids you like this video. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.